We should first decide which of us goes first and who leads the attack, right?
It's a lie. We're lucky. This isn't the Red Armor General of the four great Grandmasters.
Who says it isn't?
But the Red Armor General should be stronger than this.
This red armor came from Longhu. It's a battle armor of the ancients. Very few know that the red armor can be divided into 5 parts for the 5 elements.
Metal, wood, water, fire, and earth.
This is the water armor. Its powers are greatest in the rain. Those two won't be able to defeat him. Tell them to get out of the way.
Stop. Come back. He came for me. That's it.
Split into 5. The red armor general may not be as strong as it was as 1, but it hasn't gone down that easily yet.
He's still not dead.
He's not dead, but he can't be considered alive either. Immortal sword has
Is he a human? Or an immortal?
That old man is very strong. I won't be able to defeat him. It won't be so easy to get rid of the prince. I won't be able to take them head on. I'll have to find another opportunity.
Fortunately, I practice blades. If not, watching how you wield the sword would be enough to traumatize me, and I may never dare to leave the sword again.
Your blade technique ain't much either. What do you think, little girl?
Not as good as Fire Fox.
She is good, but she is far inferior to me.
She wields the double blades more elegantly than you do.
Well, I can show you fancy sword techniques too.
She looks better than you too.
We're comparing looks too.
That's why I won't be your disciple. Head up trying.
You have no less potential than that boy out there. If you learn from me, you're sure to be incredibly skilled.
With my identity, the more capable I am, the faster I die.
Are you worried that Zhu boy will kill you? I don't think he could bear two.
Nonsense. That guy is cunning and shrewd. What won't he do?
I'll train you. I guarantee you'll be stronger than him.
I won't. Learning martial arts is too hard.
Well, let me know if you ever want to learn.
Why do you want me as your disciple so badly?
You're gifted. I also like your stubborn and headstrong spirit.
What about him?
He is gifted. But he is too calculative. I'll have to observe him for a bit longer.
These 2 strikes took his life.
But it looks like he's still alive.
I'm afraid he's only clinging onto his last breath.
Bro, who exactly are you? Why do you want to kill me? I guess he doesn't want to say.
It's not that he doesn't want to. He can.
What do you mean?
I checked. His mind has been impaired.
Impaired? It didn't look that way when he attacked earlier.
Look. The interior of the armor is all carved like this.
What is this?
You'll have to ask that man in the carriage about it.